Number 1. 1988 Dodge D100, $2,500, Turner, Oregon. This 1988 Dodge D100 is a rare rust-free Oregon pickup that provides an excellent foundation for restoration or customization. Powered by a 3.9-liter six-cylinder engine with rear-wheel drive and a 5-speed manual transmission, it reflects the simple and durable engineering of late 1980s Dodge trucks. The body and frame are straight and solid, a major advantage for this generation. While it runs, it requires mechanical tuning and front suspension work, clearly positioning it as a project vehicle. At this price, it offers an affordable entry into classic truck ownership with strong long-term potential. Number 2. 1975 GMC 2500 pickup, $3,900, Vancouver, Washington. This 1975 GMC 2500 is a heavy-duty classic pickup that remains in good overall condition and is still driven regularly. Equipped with a reliable V8 engine and automatic transmission, it showcases the toughness and simplicity of mid-1970s American work trucks. With approximately 100,000 miles, it runs and drives very well, making it suitable for regular use or light hauling. A clean title and honest presentation make it appealing to buyers seeking a usable classic rather than a full restoration project. Number 3. 1983 Chevrolet S10 4x4, $3,499, Silverton, Oregon. This 1983 Chevrolet S10 stands out with factory four-wheel drive and a recently installed GM Crate six-cylinder engine with minimal use. It features a 5-speed manual transmission, air conditioning, and power steering, blending classic compact truck styling with improved drivability. The long 7-foot bed and original paint add authenticity, despite minor cosmetic wear. With a clean California title and solid mechanical foundation, this S10 is a versatile classic pickup with strong utility appeal. Number 4. 1981 Toyota pickup, $4,500, Seattle, Washington. This 1981 Toyota pickup is a well-preserved example of early Japanese compact trucks known for exceptional longevity. Powered by a 4-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission, it shows fewer than 100,000 miles and carries a clean title. After extended storage, it was professionally returned to reliable running condition, including a recently rebuilt carburetor. Its rear-wheel drive layout and solid condition make it a dependable classic with growing collector interest. Number 5. 1937 Plymouth Truck, $15,000, Chandler, Arizona. This 1937 Plymouth Truck is a distinctive pre-war classic that has been thoughtfully modernized for improved drivability. It is powered by a Mercedes 5-cylinder diesel engine paired with an automatic transmission, offering efficiency and reliability while retaining vintage character. The truck runs very well and includes an uninstalled front disc brake conversion kit for added safety potential. With a clean title and solid condition, it appeals to collectors who appreciate classic styling paired with modern engineering. Number 6. 1977 GMC K25 High Sierra 4-wheel drive, $4,900, Outlook, Washington. This 1977 GMC K25 High Sierra is an honest square-body pickup built for durability and utility. Equipped with a V8 engine, 4-wheel drive, and automatic transmission, it runs and drives despite its worn exterior. Factory features such as air conditioning, camper package, and towing equipment enhance its practicality. With a clean title and strong mechanical base, it is well suited for farm use, off-road projects, or full restoration. Number 7. 1941 Chevrolet pickup, $14,900, Apache Junction, Arizona. This 1941 Chevrolet pickup is a professionally built street truck that blends classic design with high-performance components. Powered by a balanced Chevrolet 327 cubic inch engine and an automatic overdrive transmission, it delivers strong acceleration and smooth highway performance. Upgraded suspension, rear axle, and disc brakes provide confident handling and braking. Showing only 2,700 miles and carrying a clean title, this truck is a high-quality classic, ready to be enjoyed immediately. Number 8. 1963 Ford half-ton truck, $4,500, Cottonwood, Arizona. This 1963 Ford half-ton pickup is a one-family-owned classic with a clean history and solid structure. It features a V8 engine and automatic transmission, but has been sitting for over a decade and requires full mechanical servicing. The body is straight with minor floor rust, while the original bed and tailgate remain in very good condition. With a clean title, this truck is an excellent restoration candidate. Number 9. 1959 GMC 100 pickup, $15,000, Grover Beach, California. This 1959 GMC 100 is a classic pickup with a fresh mechanical rebuild and strong street presence. It features a fully rebuilt 350 cubic inch V8, automatic transmission, upgraded exhaust, and modern carburation. Finished in a bare metal look with protective clear coating, it runs and drives very well. While not a show truck and showing some rust, it offers reliable performance and distinctive character for an enthusiast buyer. Number 10, 1956 Chevrolet 3100 long bed stepside, $13,500, Post Falls, Idaho. This 1956 Chevrolet 3100 long bed stepside has been carefully refreshed while retaining its original character. Powered by a dependable 6-cylinder engine with electronic ignition and a 4-speed manual transmission, it delivers smooth, reliable performance. Fresh paint, new glass, and excellent body panels highlight the quality of the restoration. With a clean title and near-new presentation, it is ideal for collectors seeking originality with drivability. Number 11, 1966 Ford F100 Custom Pickup, $14,000, Hood River, Oregon. This 1966 Ford F100 Custom Pickup combines classic styling with a recently refurbished V8 engine, supported by warranty documentation. The two-tone exterior adds strong visual appeal, while the manual transmission enhances driver engagement. Although the odometer is not functioning, the truck remains in excellent condition with a clean title. It is a strong example of a mid-1960s Ford pickup, suitable for cruising or collection. Number 12, 1961 Ford F100, $12,000, Cannon City, Colorado. This 1961 Ford F100 is a near-complete project, offering a solid foundation for completion. Equipped with a V8 engine and automatic transmission, it retains desirable early 1960s Ford styling. With a clean title and good overall condition, it allows a buyer to finish a restoration without starting from scratch. As demand for unibody-era trucks continues to rise, this F100 represents solid long-term potential. Number 13, 1972 Ford Courier, $300, 9 Mile Falls, Washington. This 1972 Ford Courier is an early compact pickup offered strictly as a project or parts vehicle. Equipped with a manual transmission and showing nearly 100,000 miles, it does not come with a title. Given its low price and incomplete documentation, it is best suited for parts, off-road use, or as a donor vehicle. Despite its condition, early Couriers are becoming increasingly difficult to find.